Do that. This is the takeoff of the Antonov, the 328.
It seems to have a very large tail. And I know, again, I know it's a strange thing to say, but that's what I noticed. It's got like one of the...
Well, listen, when you get airborne, you want that tail section in clean air, so it works properly.
It just feels...
Otherwise you get dirty air, so you keep it clean air, right, so that you've got controllability in free air, where it's more efficient.
Right.
Down to the engineers, designers, and what they want to do with the aircraft. Last time we saw a 328 here in Farnborough, apart from yesterday, was in 2004 when it was the Fairchild Dornier doing the jet-powered aircraft. This is the jet-powered, on the north side is the turboprop. Now you won't see it, it's parked behind the Antonov. The development has been quite incredible. A number of technological advancements. They've got the latest generation avionics suite, the Rockwell Collins new fusion system, providing three-screen EFIS with touchscreen capability. Now the turbojet and the jet have exactly the same for support parachute dropping and ground resupplies. Now the turboprop is shortly to be re-engined to feature new propellers. Now the props have already started their evaluation, not signed off yet. The new power plant will be the PW127. They reckon the new production 328s will be certified and in service in 3 to 4 years' time. The company are also looking at a new design aircraft on the drawing board. That is going to be the 723. That's going to be a complete new design using the attributes from these aircraft and further development. It's spacious, almost 2 meters of stand-up in height in the center aisle. The original 328s now? I don't know.
You promised you were going to steer clear of,
of
Brexit in Europe.
Oh, okay, I should leave that alone.
Right.
Original aircraft delivered to customers around the world, including Europe, over there, the United States and China. It's a flexible aircraft, certainly. Doesn't need an awful lot of runway to get airborne, around about 1,100 meters. So that means into small regional airports around the world. Nice and quiet. The commentary to the specialist commentator from 2XL, one of the flight engineers on the Boeing 727, and it's a great aeroplane. This is Steve Arms. So Steve will be telling us what is going on with the 727 and really what they use for their operation with 2XL, and of course the blades will be with the 727. We will find out from air traffic from which direction it's flying, unless we already know it's coming from the left to the right. We already know that. In comes the 328 to land.
That's a funny way to